This is day 2 with the bird. The bird that because of the fact that I don't know what kind of bird it is, because I don't know if it's male or female, I kind of named it Virgil. Bird's doing okay. Like, we got this nest, we got gloves, we got bread from, water, there's worms in there. We finally did get him to eat a couple worms. Right now he's just resting. We figured out the only way for him to eat is by taking him outside, and then he'll actually eat. Don't know if you'd see that, but the bird's sitting right there under 2 eggs we found a few weeks ago before we found the bird. I think it's kind of cool that he's kind of sitting on the eggs. But yeah, I'm gonna drink a little bit of water, eat some of the bread. I think this bird is a survivor, because I don't think it really wants to die. Some people have said that when a bird gets injured, it's less likely to eat, that they will starve themselves to death because he's too hurt. But I don't think this one wants to starve itself to death. I think it wants to live. I think it is a warrior bird. He does make a few noises. I think after eating, I think mostly he just wants to rest. But we're doing pretty good with the bird so far. So, trying to do everything that we can to make sure it still stays alive. Still doing pretty good. But if anybody has any suggestions for the bird, just leave a comment.